Are you looking for the multifunctional rice cooker? In this video, we will show the top 3 multifunctional rice cooker. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included a link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 3. Yum Asia Panda Mini Rice Cooker. Ninja ceramic bowl and advanced fuzzy logic. 3.5 cup, 0.63 liter. 4 rice cooking functions, 4 multi-cooker functions. Digital LED display, 120 volt. Brand, Yum Asia. Capacity, 0.63 liters. Power source, corded electric. Product care instructions, wipe with damp cloth. Perfect rice at the touch of a button. White rice, long grain, short grain, sushi, and brown rice settings with quick cook. 7 cooking phases ensure the best taste, texture, and aroma automatically. Advanced Fuzzy Logic AI rice cooker technology. Digitally controlled 7-phased 3D heating surround technology with tailored, useful add-on options, including steam, porridge, slow cook, cake baking settings, 24-hour preset timer and keep warm features, 10-minute countdown for rice functions. High-quality 5-layer 2mm thick Ninja ceramic-coated inner bowl. Durable, healthy with embedded rice levels. Includes instruction manual, steaming basket, rice measuring cup, rice spatula, and soup ladle. Modern bright LED display with Korean-designed smart button control panel in an amazingly kawaii cute white and gray accented body. Number 2. The Yum Asia Sakura rice cooker blends style and smart technology into one impressive kitchen appliance. Its advanced fuzzy logic system carefully adjusts temperature and timing, producing perfectly cooked white rice, brown rice, sushi rice, and more. The 8-cup, 1.5-liter capacity is ideal for families, meal prep, or small gatherings. The ceramic inner bowl is a standout feature, offering healthier cooking and even heat distribution. With 6 dedicated rice functions and 6 multi-cook options, it easily handles porridge, steaming, and slow cooking. The modern Mode Touch LED display is bright, responsive, and easy to use. I also appreciate its sleek white and silver design, which looks elegant on the counter. Overall, it's a reliable, versatile rice cooker that delivers consistent results every time. Number 1. The Zojirushi Micom 3-cup rice cooker is perfect for small households, dorm rooms, or anyone with limited counter space. Its compact size doesn't compromise performance. The Micom microcomputer technology adjusts cooking time and temperature automatically, delivering consistently fluffy white rice, brown rice, and even porridge. The multiple menu settings make it versatile and user-friendly, while the clear control panel is simple to navigate. The stainless steel exterior gives it a sleek, durable finish that looks great in any kitchen. I especially appreciate the built-in retractable power cord, which makes storage and transport easy and clutter-free. The keep warm function maintains rice at an ideal serving temperature without drying it out. Overall, it's a reliable, convenient, and high-quality rice cooker that performs beyond its compact size.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.